Welcome back! Last episode we left you as we arrived at Percy Island. This week, come and explore with us. Been here before? Welcome back. If you haven't, you have much to catch up on. Nearly 5 years ago we sold our goat farm in Victoria to hit the road in a truck and caravan. After 4 years of exploring Australia, we have changed course a little, selling our caravan and buying a 48-foot yacht. Exploring overland is still a priority in our truck, but now we are adding the sea to our adventures. Oh, and I forgot to mention, we don't know how to sail. Although we'd not long arrived, we quickly dropped Jaffa and headed to the shore. We wanted to see what Percy Island was all about. We were keen to hit the sand because we hadn't been off the boat in a couple of days.
Okay.
That's better.
I'm gonna go from the front.
From the front? Yeah, okay. Because she's just... Whoa! Too good at this. Welcome to Middle Percy Island. Beautiful.
Oh, look at their bowsprit or whatever you call it.
Oh, yeah.
Their spinnaker.
Rainbow. Have a look at this. This is Middle Percy Island. It's apparently one of the ones that you must come and see.
Don't forget to breathe. 'Cause every poison word that's on your breath makes me hate the smell of cigarettes. Breathe, just breathe. They say that what you give is what you get, but I don't see how you could handle this stuff.
After a quick explore, we decided that we'd better come back tomorrow. There was just so much to see, and we wanted to be able to put our contribution up with everybody else's.
Making me so cynical, I don't see this working anymore. I'm just sitting here killing time. Yeah, I know this world is beautiful.
Here at Middle Percy Island, it seems like a tradition to leave something behind representing yourself. So we're going to leave this. And it says, Nowhere Bound Touring, SV Awaitea, Katty, Karl and Alice, May 2024. And hopefully every year we can come back and write some more on here. If you come here, take a photo, we'll send you something. Oh, really? Oh. Oh, so close. At least I can catch, I was about to say.
This is the best part. You should film that.
Yes.
Okay, almost.
Lucky you're tall. Of course, as soon as we handed the job over to Karl, it was done, fixed. I think he watched our technique and knew what not to do. Here's our contribution. And remember, take a photo of you with this and we'll send you something. Cheers!
The short history of Middle Percy Island. Captain Matthew Finger surveyed the Percy Islands in September 1802 and commented favourably on its natural assets. He mentioned evidence of nomadic Aboriginals who in 1830 killed 2 white botanists visiting Middle Percy. In 1860, a Gladstone man named Jimmy Joss settled here as the first permanent resident, obviously apart from the nomadic Aborigines. He helped build Pine Islet Lighthouse in the 1880s. In 1918, he was taken away, too old and ill to stay, supposedly leaving 1,500 gold sovereigns buried beneath a special rock. Colonial Armitage obtained the first lease and settled with his family in 1887. He grew coffee and raised sheep and cattle. The lease changed hands several times from 1918 until the White family from Canada bought it in 1921. They built the present homestead and ran the island as a sheep station until 1964. Andrew Martin bought the lease in that year and began catering for the boaties' needs. He built the A-frame, the tree house, and planted coconut palms on the beach. Liz and John Hickling joined Andy in 1989, built the Rondavel, and raised their 2 sons, Jacob and Justin. Andy passed away in 2003, leaving care of the island to his cousin, Catherine, who shares the lease with the Hicklings. If you want more information, you can look at www.percyisland.com.au.
Wow, extract from Matthew Flinders. Wow, that's really cool. From the log. Right, I want honey. So I bought $30. I was hoping that there might be eggs as well, but there's not today. So I'm just going to get this. So I've got $10 in there, a card to say thank you, and we put it in there. Perfect. We've
Nice.
got honey, honey, honey. Yeah. I can hear it.
They stick it down the side and they use the coconut to lever and rip it off. Yeah, a bit like that. But
Can you please try?
maybe Alice needs to try.
You give it a try. I think I made it leak the wrong end.
And after you just have to take off this.
Yeah, that bit, but how?
Yeah, it's complicated.
Come on,
It's making the right noise.
It is.
Oh, yes. There's some
Once
victory.
again,
we had to call on Karl. And man who can lift heavy things can also open the coconuts. Oh, yeah.
There's a little coconut.
Cool.
Good. Oh, tiny.
A little hairy ball.
So cute.
Oh, he's got a lot of milk.
Yeah.
Yay. Now how do you open it?
Well, I'll just take him back like that and drill a hole in him
Okay.
and put a straw. Do we have a straw?
Yes, we got a straw.
And then that's it.
Woohoo.
Good, good.
Cool.
It's got a lot. It's very full.
Yeah.
What about these ones that I cut off the other day?
You'd probably burn more energy trying to get into it than actually.
Probably, but it's got a fair bit too. For such a little one. Do we want the other one as well? So we've got
Just
one
an FYI, the caretaker on the island actually lights a fire most nights so that you can have sundowners. And he's quite a character, worth the chat. Following morning, we decided to go up the river into the mangroves and check it out. Apparently, if your draft is small enough, you can actually go and anchor in the inlet. Wow. Look at that, you could just snorkel there beautifully. Oh yeah, you've got a zig and you've got a zag. I wonder if that's the beach boat. My goodness. They definitely have their own life supply of mud crabs.
And so the tide must go right up to there. Eh? High.
Yeah. Wow.
Dug it out for their boat.
Yeah. Yeah. South Australia should look at these bloody mangroves and learn a lesson. Check out our Riverland camp down in South Australia to understand what we're talking about when we say SA should look after their mangrove.
Little beauty.
Look how clear it is.
Mooring balls. They said they had mooring balls.
Ah, okay. Huh.
Look at the tree.
Yeah. Beautiful.
Look how thick it is.
And I've got the straw. Good. Good.
Imagine if you had some coconut rum. Oh,
Uh-oh. I got lime. I can put the lime in the coconut. Gone.
Go on.
Just like that. All that work. Just like that. Now it's Karl's one. Alice is going to have hers later.
Oh, mine's straight into it.
Oh, yeah.
Straight into it. Very nice.
Yeah. Gone.
It has got a lot of meat.
They've both got a lot of meat in them. Join us next time as we prepare to head on to another island, getting closer and closer to the Whitsundays and the Great Barrier Reef.